Civil Tribunal. Vladimir here, the owner of Preserve My Community. I'd like to clarify what Civil Resolution Tribunal I give you as one of the tips for you. Today, after 2016, the government of British Columbia, Canada decided to put Civil Resolution Tribunal as a procedure and also the help of the owners. It's gonna help the courts, small claim courts, where it's much more expensive, or any other courts to go and find some justice if you find that somebody is abusing you, or contractors, whether it's a council member, another owner, or strata management company. Just have to be careful here. Please be careful, because it's a tool with two edges. From one side, yes, you can go and complain, but you have to be educated. You have to read all the facts inside when you go on Google and when you find the Civil Resolution Tribunal. The good thing is it's online. If there's some Facebook or telephone conversation needed, then they're gonna connect with you. But all the documents, preferably 99%, are through email and through mail. However, the email correspondence is essential here. If you want to start a litigation against someone, you have to understand that everything should be in writing. You have to keep all the records, minutes, public documents, where you can prove that your thesis, your idea, your claim is the righteous one. Don't just vent out and be abusive or resentful or revengeful, because that will not help you. Here, you need to find exactly what is wrong. And if you find several attempts with the strata management company, property manager, condominium manager, whatever you are, or you address the council, but the council, the board members don't care or they don't pay attention, then yes, you might go and find the justice there. However, after the decision, you have to go and place this resolution from the Civil Resolution Tribunal, or this solution or this kind of judgment in the Court of British Columbia. You can appeal it, but it's going to cost you more money, more time, more frustration. So you really have to be careful when you're starting this, how far you want to go. My advice is really first work with the people on site, work with the strata management, the property management company, and then the final solution, the final movement can be this Civil Resolution Tribunal. In Australia, for example, they have it for 40 years, but you have to go to court, you have to be present, take days off, take time off to prepare yourself mentally, physically, and then you don't know what's going to be the result. I would like you never to use Civil Resolution Tribunal. However, sometimes it's not possible to find a solution between your neighbors. Sometimes it's difficult to speak the righteousness. Sometimes it's difficult to really express your ideas and to follow through and follow up the Strata Property Act properly. That's why the government put this option for you, but you have to really educational how to use it. If you have a bylaw fine, or if you have several bylaw fines, maybe you can go and do it. But if one bylaw fine or one kind of act of miscommunication, or let's say not pleasant emails or warning letters, don't lose your time there, because really for such a kind of offense, or somebody offend you, maybe it's better you just go back and directly to express your feelings. However, sometimes, as I said, there is no any other option but to go to the lawyers, to the Civil Resolution Tribunal, and then they will find a solution for you. But be knowledgeable, ask many questions before you continue with this judgment, because don't expect that the other party will stay and agree with you. It's very naive if you think that the councils or the other owner will agree with you, and they might also use other methods to counteract your decision and your action. Be careful with this tool. It's becoming very popular. It's very fast, but you have to be really careful how you use it and in what cases. It should be the last option for you before anything else doesn't work. Because after all, your community is your unity, and you are living in this unity. Don't forget that. Vladimir here, the founder of Preserve My Community.